Hello and welcome to the THATec Innovation YouTube channel. My name is Thomas and in this video I want to introduce our company and our solutions for your lab. The company THATec Innovation was founded in 2016 as a spin-off of the Helmholtz Center Dresden-Rossendorf and supported by the Helmholtz Association. All company founders have a strong background in experimental physics, in particular in the research field of magnetization dynamics. So having worked in research for many years and some of our founders still working in research, we know exactly about the challenges and requirements of everyday lab work. Over the years, while still working in research, we developed some advanced hard and software solutions to realize our own research ideas. So actually the idea behind THATec Innovation was born in the lab, and our main motivation is to help other researchers with their scientific work. Based on this experience, when founding THATec Innovation, we could further develop and refine our solutions, which we now provide to labs and research facilities all over the world. Basically, there are two main categories of our products. The first is a universal lab automation software called THATec OS, which will control all devices in your lab and perform all your measurements. It uses the open source file format HDF5 and has an integrated digital lab book which takes care of all the documentation. Furthermore, there is a measurement database to keep track on all your measurements from all your labs. The key feature of THATec OS is its modular concept. Very often there might be a software to perform your measurement. However, this software will only perform this one measurement with a very specific set of devices. And if you want to add new devices to your setup or exchange devices, well, already understanding the source code might be a challenging task and take a lot of time. THATec OS solves exactly this issue. We use simple device drivers for every device in your lab, which operate standalone but can connect to the THATec OS software. These device drivers are freely available from our device library, and there's also a programming template, for example if you have home-built devices. Using these device drivers, adding new devices to your setup or exchanging devices between the lab has never been easier and doesn't need any additional programming. You just take the device and the driver from lab A, go to lab B, you just plug and play and can start your measurement. If you want to know more about the THATec OS software, there's another video available which provides a bit more details. But there's also a demo version and a quick start guide available on our homepage, so you can check out all the features on your own. Our second category of products, optical scanning microscopes, as you can see a body of one right behind me. These microscopes are used, for example, for Brillouin light scattering, which was actually my main tool during my research. So there will be a separate video on Brillouin light scattering and our solutions for this. But these microscopes are also used for Raman scattering or, for example, for the optical detection of magnetic resonance. And as I said, these microscopes are custom built and tailored to fit your particular needs. For example, if you need a magnetic field, there can be a big electromagnet fitted to the setup, even on a railing system, to remove the magnet and give access to your sample. We also have solutions for the electrical contacting of your sample without the need of tedious wire bonding. And be it DC currents or RF currents with tens of gigahertz frequency, there are solutions for this. In addition to just providing the microscopes, we will also assist you with, for example, designing the beam path and the choice of third-party hardware such as lasers, detectors, etc. And finally, we will come to your lab, set everything up, align everything right in your lab. So basically providing turnkey systems for optical scanning microscopes. On top of our microscopy hardware, we also offer a software for optical scanning microscopy. It allows you, for example, to draw your measurement area in various shapes directly on the screen, so on the camera image. It also uses this camera image and the pattern recognition algorithm to compensate for long-term drifts. So let's say your measurement is running for a couple of hours or even a few days. There might be thermal drifts in your system which ruin your measurement. But with the pattern recognition algorithm and autofocusing routines, Our software will always ensure that the laser spot is at the exact position where you want it to be. The combination of the microscopy software with our automation software, THATec OS, makes it very, very powerful. So let's assume you want to take some spectra at different positions on your microstructure for various applied currents and various applied magnetic fields. Well, with this combination, it's not a problem. You just start a measurement, go have a coffee, and you wait for the email notification to arrive that the measurement has finished. So this was a quick overview over our company and our products and solutions for your lab. If you're interested in any of our products or have any questions, please contact us anytime. We were really happy to get in touch with you and to discuss with you. Also, there are more videos online on different topics. And as I mentioned before, there's a demo version and a quick start guide on our automation software THATec OS available on our homepage, so you can check out all the features on your own. And of course, you can follow us on social media to stay up to date.